Welcome to Instrulogic channel. In this video we will learn how float switch works. A float switch is a simple level sensing device used to detect the liquid level inside a tank. It is commonly used for automatic pump control, high-level alarms, and low-level alarms. Look at the left side of the image. When the liquid level is low, the float hangs downward because there is not enough liquid to support it. In this position, the internal switch closes, completing the electrical circuit. As a result, the pump or motor starts running and begins filling the tank. Now look at the center of the image. As the liquid level rises, the float also rises because it floats on the liquid surface. When the liquid reaches the predetermined high level, the float tilts upward. This movement changes the state of the internal switch. The electrical circuit opens, the motor stops, and the tank filling operation is automatically terminated. Now let's see what happens inside the float. Inside the float, there is a small magnet. Inside the stem or housing, there is a reed switch. A reed switch is a magnetic-operated electrical switch. When the float moves up or down with the liquid level, the magnet changes its position relative to the reed switch. The magnetic field either closes or opens the reed switch contacts. As a result, the float switch changes its output signal from on to off or from off to on, depending on the application. In simple words, the float follows the liquid level, and the magnet inside the float controls the reed switch. This provides a reliable and maintenance-friendly method for automatic level control. That is why float switches are widely used in water tanks, sumps, overhead tanks, wastewater systems, and industrial process vessels for pump automation and tank level monitoring. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, continue exploring automation concepts and practice applying them in real industrial applications. Thank you, and see you in the next training session.